Mr. Paulo Cruzada, I said to you, you need to apologize sa Teacher Junilin Bactad. You know, Ate Dina is really a big witness. Oh, at least Ate Dina Guillermo is just like Zaldico or witness. Oh, you, Paulo Cruzada, you have no allies. Ate Dina Guillermo betray you. Oh, she left the Marcos loyalists. She joins with the diehard Duterte supporters. Oh, paano yan, Paulo Cruzada? Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, the Marcos loyalist wannabe, together with the Sejo Gina Sejo, and also Gima Casandil. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you don't have allies. How many people that you troll? How many you disturb those people, including Jerick Silva and Eboj? Ah, ina-add mo sila sa group chat. Even my relatives. You know, Paulo Cruzada, not add everyone, even the CDIFI teachers, staff, including Ate Dina, or if you add Ate Rona there, you know, Paulo Cruzada, I'm the one who will start a fight, oh. At least cakes to Ate Mel Canete, she said to me, nagsumbong pala si Ate Mel kay Teacher May, oh. You know, she said to Teacher May had already told to Paulo Cruzada's parents, sabi nila, like I said, papagalitan ko na yan si Paulo Cruzada o pagbabawalan ko yan, like whatsoever. You know, it's not really good, Paulo Cruzada, making lots of trolls, making lots of shenanigans. Don't do that to Teacher Junilin Bactad. She doesn't really know who you are, Paulo Cruzada. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, we are special. You need to stop what you're doing. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, apologize to Teacher Junilin Bactad and Teacher Vincent Ramos. Just like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, paano ba kilala mo si Teacher Vincent Ramos? Di kanya kilala. Like he said to me, who's Paulo Cruzada? He asked me, he's a student of Teacher May. You don't know who is this guy was. And Teacher Vincent asked me, I don't know who's Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, just stop attacking everyone. Even others, you know how many people you disturb them. You know, this is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. Maya ka naman, like I said. You don't really give a shame. You know, as for example, I want to explain to Kathleen Canete, yan ba ang kaibigan mo, si Paulo Cruzada, naging masama? Adding everyone in the group chat, harassing people. Adding Teacher Junilin Bactad in group chat, threatening to hostage at her. Wag ganon, Paulo Cruzada. If I were you, look at me, Paulo Cruzada. When I made a mistake to Ate Dina, when I harassed her, when I create a fake account, what did I do? I apologize to Ate Dina. When Janica Rose Bautista, that was a workmate of Ate Dina, I remember, I was told by Jerick Silva, sabi sa akin, parang naging harsh talaga. Like I said, Janica Rose Bautista had already forgiven me. Pinatawad na ako ni Janica Rose. Magpasalamat ako kay Jerick. He talks to Janica Rose Bautista that I apologize to him. Because I know Jerick Silva was my representative, the representative of me. He was my representative. he talks to Janica, and I know he talks to Janica when I made my YouTube video. I apologize to teacher, not only teacher Alex I'm talking about. I apologize to Ate Dina. Oh, because I know teacher Alex was a teacher of Jude Goles. Kilala pala to ni Jude. I said, it's not really what I'm saying. I should never harass them. Oh, it's simple. Oh, when I talk to Ate Dina, I said when I made my YouTube video, I never talked to Ate Dina in Messenger. I didn't message Ate Dina. Oh, when I say to Ate Dina, when she watched my YouTube video, she realized she already forgiven me. Oh, that I will never do that again. Oh, it's simple. For you, Paulo Cruzada, when are you gonna apologize to Nanay Ningning? Oh, even Ate Hana, Kuya Mel, and Ate Isa. Oh, apologize to them. Even Kuya Jojo. Oh, you know, for Paulo Cruzada, make a public apology. You say to them, oh, I apologize to you, Kuya Jojo, oh, the triathlon, oh, he knows Janeline Mercado, oh, and Dennis Trillo. I say to Paulo Cruzada, I apologize to you, Sir Jojo Macalintal or Kuya Jojo, oh, I will never attack you anymore. I know you will be affected to your family, even Ate Ellen, even Yumi, oh. And I will never do that again. Oh, it's simple. Don't do that again, Paulo Cruzada. Don't be such a bully. You know, if I were a bully, if you're a bully, wag ganon. Oh, you might be similar of me and Manuel Luis Antonio. We are bully too. Oh, it might be similar of Dan Mardayaw. He might get same as a bully. Oh, wag ganon. You know, for Paulo Cruzada, I say again, and it's the minions of Marcos loyalist, including Gina Sergio. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, Eskel Penumbra left the Marcos loyalist because he listened to Teacher Kel. Oh, that the Philippines become corrupt. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, you have no allies. Paano yan? Like I said, Teacher Alex betray you. Ate Dina Guillermo betray you. O Eskel Penumbra betray you at most. O tinaydor ka na nila, like I said. Paano yan, Paulo Cruzada? O, just like I want to tell you something. Naiiyak ka na, Paulo Cruzada. you know, Paulo Cruzada, you are the one who's a perpetrator. You are a monster. First of all, you attack Teacher May. You say to her, susunugin ko ang bahay ni Teacher May. Where did you get those words? For me, Paulo Cruzada, where did you say that you are going to arson the house of Teacher May? Paano ka napunta kay Teacher May? Like I said, where is the house of Teacher May? Paulo Cruzada. Oh, in Cainta, Rizal. You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, you are a crybaby. You have no allies. Oh, at least Ate Dina Guillermo talked to Banateros, one of my Duterte vloggers. They said that Ate Dina claims, bangag pala to si Paulo Cruzada. Abnoy pala to Because you know, he's a Marcos loyalist, bangag pala to. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are bangag. You are a useless person. Why did you do that to Ate Dina? Ate Dina, Paulo Cruzada, please, I say to you, do not brainwash her as a Marcos loyalist. Even Teacher Alex. I just said before, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, she hasn't really know you. Hindi ka kilala, Paulo Cruzada. You know, if I were you, Paulo Cruzada, if you attack, if you bash Teacher Alex and Ate Dina Guillermo, if you add them in group chat, I will get rid of it. If I say again, Paulo Cruzada, kung admin, kung i-add mo ko, like I said, tatanggalin ko sila, like I said. You know, I will remove them in group chat. I will save my relatives and I will remove them in group chat. Tatanggalin ko sila. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you know, your parents did not discipline you. Hindi ka pinalaki, Paulo Cruzada. You know, you're attacking everyone, even Luis Cabales. You're saying to Luis Cabales, pupugutan mong ulo. Pati si Kuya Mel. Bastos ka, Paulo Cruzada. That's what your consequence was. If you ever join to Christy Mix with Jerick Silva, or that arch enemy of Jerick Silva, or Christy Mix, you should join forces with her, Paulo Cruzada. Nakakabuisit ka talaga, Paulo Cruzada. If I say to Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, just block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. And I ask everyone, even my relatives, o Nanay Ningning, or if you're watching this, o Anna Kirchenberg, I don't want to say bad words too in Messenger. Ayoko kasi magmura, I just said to Nanay Ningning, Nanay Ningning, I say to you, block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. If you block him in Facebook, just block him. I-block mo na lang siya, like I said. Simple. I told to Kuya Mel, Ate Hana, or Ate Isa, I told them, even Kuya Jojo, just block Paulo Cruzada. It's simple. I had enough of this nonsense of Paulo Cruzada.